Hello. Today we'll be comparing the iPhone 4S with the iPhone 5, two very controversial phones. Let's start with the iPhone 4S. This phone has a dual 1 GHz Cortex CPU, unlike the iPhone 5, it has a dual-core 1.3 GHz Swift CPU. This means that the iPhone 5 is quicker, although they can both do two instructions at once, as they are dual-core processors. As you can see, when turning both phones on, the iPhone 5 is quicker to respond. By 10 seconds. And when unlocking the phones, the iPhone 5 is also quicker to respond. Now let's move on and compare memory. The RAM on the iPhone 4S is 512 megabytes of RAM, but the RAM on the iPhone 5 is once again better with almost twice as much RAM, meaning you can have more apps open or things running at once on the iPhone 5. This once again makes it quicker. On the iPhone 4S there's a choice when you buy or how much storage you would like. The options are 8, 16, 32 or 64 gigabytes of memory. But the memory available on the iPhone 5 is almost the same, although you do not have the choice of 8 gigabytes memory. Neither have a choice of putting in an SD card to upgrade the memory. The iPhone 5 has 63 apps, including the ones given by Apple, has 1,974 photos, and has 1 GB available from the 11.6 GB used. An iPhone 4S has 80 apps, including the ones given by Apple, has 1,104 photos, and has 10 GB available from 17.4 GB used. Let's have a look at the resolution of the two phones. On the iPhone 4S, the resolution is 640 x 960 pixels, but on the iPhone 5, it is 640 x 1136 pixels. This means that the iPhone 5 fits more pixels in than the iPhone 4 screen, although from my sight you cannot tell. Now, screen quality. The iPhone 4S has 330 pixels per inch, which is better than the iPhone 5, who has only 326 pixels per inch. The iPhone 4S has 4 more pixels per inch, getting the iPhone 4S. Again, from my sight, you cannot tell the difference. Sadly, this is the only thing the iPhone 4 is better at than the iPhone 5. The sensors on both are the same, with both having an accelerometer, gyro, proximity and a compass. Next is the battery, which sadly the iPhone 4 has lost again. The battery on the iPhone 4 lasts 45 hours supposedly, whereas the battery on the iPhone 5 supposedly lasts 51 hours. Lastly is the camera. Both phones have a front facing along with a primary camera. The primary camera, or back camera on both, is 8 megapixels with 3264 x 2448 pixels, both with autofocus, LED flash and check quality. The front-facing camera on the iPhone 4S is not as good as the one on iPhone 5, although they both have calling for FaceTime available or Wi-Fi for cellular.